How to archive and unarchive chats on Messenger. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can archive and unarchive the chats on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app. Here, go to the chat sections. Here, you'll see all the chats. Now, tap on one chat and just slide it to the left like this, and it will be archived. If you want to archive the next one, just repeat the same process. Or you can also see the archive button right here. Tap on archived and your chat will be archived. Now to unarchive it, just go to this menu tab right here, tap on it, and you'll see archive option right here, tap on it. Now you can see all the chats you have archived right here. You can just slide it to the left like this to unarchive it, and tap on unarchive and your chat will be unarchived, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can archive and unarchive the chats on Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.